Hello everyone. Almost everyone is familiar with this problem. You open this PC and your system drive is almost completely full, and the drive icon turns bright red. But after a few minutes the disk will look like this. It's actually very simple. Click the taskbar search, and type clean. At the top, you'll see the disk cleanup utility, click it. Our system drive is drive C, so select it, and click OK. In this window, go straight to the advanced options, and click Clean up System Files. The drive selection window will appear again, click OK. The utility will scan the disk space and then open a window with more advanced cleanup options. To remove unnecessary files, you can check all the items listed in this window. This includes the cache, old updates, and service files that are no longer needed, so you can review them and delete them all. Important, this deletion is irreversible, so please check your trash before starting the cleaning process. Sometimes this utility includes an option to clean the downloads folder. If you see that option, open File Explorer and check the folder first. There may be something important in there. Now open the More Options tab. If your computer is set up to automatically create system restore points, you can safely delete all older restore points. Only the newest restore point will remain, and this can free up even more space on drive C. To do that, click Clean Up. Then click Delete. To start the cleanup process, click OK. Confirm your action, and disk cleanup will begin immediately. In my case, I gained 38 GB of free space on drive C, and the drive is no longer red. In my version of the utility, there was no option to clean the downloads folder, so I opened File Explorer, went to the downloads folder, and manually deleted the files I no longer needed. To permanently delete files without sending them to the recycle bin, press Shift+Delete. Click Yes. That gave me another 3 GB of free space. And one final tip, if your C drive and D drive are partitions of the same physical disk, you can easily expand drive C using free space from drive D. I explained how to do that in another video. You'll find the link in the description. I hope this helped you, and if you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment, and I'll answer all your questions and try to help. Thank you so much for watching my video. Good luck.